Hallo, herzlich willkommen. Ich bin Susanne. This video is for German learners at A1 level and the topic is the verb mögen. I am going to stay basic in this video because it is A1 level. There's much more to know about this verb once you get to higher levels, but I do not want to overwhelm you right now. So just know there's more to learn as you continue learning German. For now, let's have a look at the conjugation first. Mögen is a verb that we use to express with that we like something or somebody. Let's have a look how we conjugate it. Ich mag, du magst, sie, es mag, wir mögen, ihr mögt, sie mögen. Straight away you can notice, the first person singular looks so different than the verb stem of the infinitive mögen. Yes, it does. So I recommend you to learn that by heart. You can also notice that the third person singular, he, she, is identical to the ich form. And that's actually common to all the 6 modal verbs that we have in German. The first person singular is identical to the third person singular. So, mögen is a modal verb. It can also be a voll verb, as we say in German. That simply means that it carries the full meaning, full weight. And then it is the only verb in the sentence. That's not uncommon that mögen is the only verb in a sentence. Sometimes, though, it is used as a modal verb in combination with another verb, which is usually at the end of the sentence in its infinitive form, and then it is a modal verb. Okay, enough theory here. Here are some examples. Basic, as I said, ich mag Melbourne, ich mag Timothy, ich mag yoga. I like Melbourne, I like Timothy, I like yoga. I can also say, ich mag Melbourne nicht, ich mag yoga nicht. Of course, there are nuances to that. You could say, ich mag Melbourne nicht so gern, nicht so sehr. Ich mag Yoga nicht so gern oder nicht so sehr. That's also possible. You also notice now that gern and mögen can be in one sentence together. It's quite common in German language. So, when you want to express an activity, for example, ich mag Tischtennis spielen, and that's supposed to be a general statement about that you like playing table tennis. I want to give you a little tip here. I hear that a lot, but actually much more preferred and much rather in Germany we say ich spiele gern Tischtennis. So you're going to use the little word gern after the verb. Gern means to like, whatever the verb expresses. Ich mag Tischtennis spielen. If it's a general statement, maybe not so much. Say, ich spiele gern Tischtennis. Here's another example. Ich mag Gemüse essen. If that's a general statement that you like eating vegetables, I much rather would use the gern again. Ich esse gern Gemüse. I like eating vegetables. Now you know gern or gerne is a synonym of gern is much more used, much rather used if you make a statement, a general statement about what you like. So rather than using mögen and the infinitive of the verb, use the verb and gern. Okay? And sometimes we use mögen also when we invite someone to something. For example, magst du gern heute Nachmittag an den Strand gehen? In that case, it means kind of, do you feel like, would you like to? It's almost like, do you want to? Yeah. Magst du gern heute Nachmittag an den Strand gehen? Would you like to go? Do you feel like going to the beach this afternoon? So then it's an invitation. Usually we use a specific time or date, and then you know, oh, it's not a general thing. It's an invitation to do something. Yeah. That is all for today. There's much more to cover about this verb because it is never really simple in German. German is complex. But I want to stay here because it's A1 level. If you have questions, please put them below the video. I will answer your questions. And for now, I wish you a wonderful day. Tschüss, bis bald und auf Wiedersehen.